Hey guys, it's Casey Storm Girl. It's been a while, I know, I'm sorry. But we got some storm coming up this way in the Kansas City area, metro. More like the whole Missouri is going to get flooded with snow. They're talking roughly around 3 to 17 inches of snow, which we haven't had 17 inches of snow in about 13, 14 years, I want to say, guys. So be weather aware. Make sure you have blankets, everything that you need in case your heater goes out. If you don't have to go out, please don't. The roads are going to get nasty. I don't have much time on here to give you more of an update, so please stay tuned and always love and subscribe